The next book, Nick, is called Engine, number 9. It's by Stephanie Kalmelson, and Paul Messel did all the illustrations. 9. Engine, number 9. Rollin' down the line. Wheels are turning, the whistle's blowing. Soon we'll find out where it's going. The train makes stops all along the way. Many want to ride today. First comes Bess and her pet pig. The pig is round and pink and big. The next stop is the riding stable. Horses gallop strong and able, chugging up the hill for Woolly Sheep and Ranger Bill. Choo-choo, busy engine number 9, click-clacking down the line. Wheels are turning, whistles blowing. Soon we'll find out where it's going. Stop for Jake and his prize cow. Hold your ears, she's talking now. Sal's roosters like to strut and show. Look at us and hear us crow. Crowded engine number 9, rumbling down the line. Wheels are turning, whistles blowing. Soon we'll find out where it's going. Ducks and geese wait at the tracks. Listen to them honk and quack. Quack, 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 quack. One by one, here comes the band. The train is filling, so they must stand. Moms and dads with heels a-clicking, carrying babies crying and kicking. Lots of crowding, lots of wiggling, children boarding, shouting and giggling. Noisy engine number 9, clanking down the line. Brakes are screeching, the train is slowing. Now we'll find out where it's going. Banners waving in the air. All out for the county fair. Happy engine number 9 made it to the fair on time. At the fair they all eat and play, enter contests and win today. The train then picks its riders up, each with ribbons, prize, and cup. Sleepy engine number 9, rollin' down the line. Wheels are turning, the whistle's blowing. Home is where this train is going. The end. I love you, buddy.